So I got my raw organic extra virgin coconut oil here. I'm going to measure about 1 cup of raw coconut oil. I got a small little pot here. I'm going to transfer my raw coconut oil into the small little pot. I'm going to turn my heat up to a low-medium heat, and while that is preheating, I got my Indica syringe oil here. 1 full gram of deep, sleepy relaxation. I also have a coffee mug here. I filled it up to about the size of my syringe. I popped it in the microwave for about a minute. This is going to help melt my oil so it liquefies enough to squeeze out of my syringe. So let's open the syringe oil. I have a medical card, so this is a dispensary product. Here's what's inside the box. You can see the syringe in the bottom. And voila, a gram of Indica Thc oil. Now when you heat this up in your hot mug of water, you will want to leave the lid on so nothing leaks out in your water. So just leave it on, guys. So here's my hot water, and I'm going to submerge my syringe, lid on tight, lid down, right into the mug of hot water. I try to fill my hot water till it reaches about that point because that's all that's needed to heat up. So I let it sit in there until I see the bubbles in the syringe move around like a full minute or so. The syringe is glass, so it's safe in the hot water. The bubbles will move up when you take your syringe out and hold it upright. When the bubbles rise up quick, that means the oil is liquefied and ready. When the oil has liquefied long enough, I take it out. I dry off any excess water. Carefully unscrew the lid off. It's pretty liquidy, so be careful not to waste. The oil is ready. It's been preheating for about 7 minutes. Just carefully take your THC oil syringe and just gently squeeze it right into the raw coconut oil. The oil should just glide right out of the syringe. If not, screw the lid on and put back in the hot water for another 30 to 45 seconds. And I do squeeze till I can't squeeze no more. Combine the THC oil and the raw coconut oil together. Combine it thoroughly. After it's combined, grab your container. I have a glass because I'm about to make some THC-infused plant-based brownies with this. Cover and store in fridge or in a tightly closed container in a cool shaded spot. I store this myself in a cool shaded spot in a room temperature. And here it is, 1 full gram of Indica THC oil infused into raw organic coconut oil. You can use this to cook with edibles, or sometimes I will swallow about 2 to 3 tablespoons of this 15 minutes before I go to bed at night. Any oil can be used, but today I'm using this because I love combining the taste of coconut with chocolate for my plant-medicated, plant-based brownies. That will be in another video. See you there.